So, hey learning fellows, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a cutout to effect in Canva. So without further delay, let's move on. So first of all, I'm gonna keep my width and my height, which is gonna be like 1080 is gonna be my width and height. So I want a mobile preview. I'm gonna quickly create new. And as my page has been loaded, now I just want to drop my image which is over here in my uploads, and I'm just gonna resize it and align it towards the way I want. But first of all, I'm gonna create a cutout. So for that, I need to just place the rectangle over here, converts its corner to rounded corners, increase its shape size, and I'm also gonna change its color to black. Okay, like this. Now what you're gonna do is that I'm gonna go in my elements and search for drip. Go in my graphics panel, and I'm just gonna choose this one right here. I'm going to align it the way I want, and let me show you after aligning. Let me just little bit move it downwards so it creates a better effect. Like this. Now I'm going to download this page and keep in mind not page 1, page 2 in PNG format. Now I'm going to go and search for shape cutout. And I remember I'm in my apps column. Okay, now shape cutout first icon. Now I'm going to choose my file. Okay, now I'm just going to click on this over here and cut out and add to design. Let me delete this one. And now what I have to do, I have to drag this image on the first page and put it over here like this, and I'm just gonna move it backwards, and let me just quickly align it. And remember to align it according to your perspective, like where you want the cutout, where you want the outer effect, and like that. So let me just put it straightly and like that. Nice. So I'm just going to align it, come back to you. Okay, I have aligned it like this. Now I'm going back to my uploads column and click another image of it. And before going here, I'm just gonna search for BG remover on Google, and I'm just going to go in removal AI. You can choose any other link, but I mostly use this app right here. Okay, now I'm gonna upload my image and I'll let it be downloaded, and I'm gonna click it download. Let me paste over here like this. So I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share to your friends. Bye bye.